Operation Mahadev, a big success for security forces, confirmed by Union Home Minister Amit Shah. First big confirmation coming in about the India Today news break regarding inputs of the Pahalgam link. Operation Mahadev unfolded after the signal first device which was tracked down, and remember, information coming in with the human intelligence. This is where IB comes in. There was an army signal which picked up the device, and obviously Suleiman confirmed dead. There is Gibran, there is Afghan, all three perpetrators. But this is CFSL Chandigarh, which was mentioned by Union Home Minister, playing a very important, crucial role. Now, why has it taken so long? What we've been telling our viewers all along is that there is a confirmation and a double confirmation taken, because it was not just matching the photographs of those perpetrators, it was also about taking those bullets. So not only did Jammu Kashmir police really trek up there, took the bodies on stretcher, brought them back, but overnight the bullets were sent right here in CFSL Chandigarh, playing a very important and a crucial part. There you see CFSL Chandigarh in sector 36. This is Dakshin Marg, playing a very important role because they are the ones who have confirmed that the perpetrators, the killers, are the ones behind the Pahalgam terror attack of Baisaran on April 22nd, which killed 26 persons. Now, we were in Pahalgam and we are right here in CFSL Chandigarh as well. What we can tell you, it's been months and months where security forces in different parts, what we know is the armies, the para, CRPF, Jammu Kashmir police, all they had been carrying out CASO, which is the coordinate search operations. And meanwhile, what has happened is that the success has come almost after 3 months, and this is where the perpetrators of Pahalgam terror attack neutralized, all identified as Lashkar. The TRF was the front, Lashkar-e-Taiba, all three Pakistani, chocolates found on them, ammunition, 2 of them, even the voter cards are said to be identified, and a big confirmation on India Today's news break coming from Union Home Minister Amit Shah. This is a big win, not just for security forces, but for the country, and obviously avenging the death of all those innocent who have been killed in the Pahalgam terror attack. With camera person Girish, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Chandigarh for India Today.